I bought me a used Watchmaker's lathe on eBay. It's 12 inches long but missing some parts. One of the parts is a step pulley, but all the pulleys you buy are way too big. I needed something small. So I need a step pulley right here. The chuck goes right here, and that's the rest of the lathe. So it's a little guy. But I need a step pulley, and I need another step pulley for the electric motor that turns this. They don't make them small enough. So to give you an idea of what's going on here, step pulley on the lathe, this is my south bend, and then from the electric motor there's the other step pulley. They're exactly opposite. So what I do here is I loosen the tension, and then I switch over. So big gear or big wheel, small wheel, lock it in place. So when this is turning, now this is going to be a higher rate of RPM, smaller. So this thing's going to go as fast as freaking possible, because vice versa, when you go over to the big end, small. So that's what I need to do, but on a lot smaller scale. Making lathe parts using my lathe. How cool is that? Here we're looking at, right before I cut the grooves, there's 4 lines marked to the center of each step. So here's what I got so far. So there's 1 step pulley. You can see the grooves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll have to cut off the end to make it fit. I did the exact opposite on this side. I got to bore out the hole to match the shafts, but when it's cut, it will fit in there perfectly. So that side will run just like on my south bed, and then this will go on the motor, turned over, and I'll be able to shift to change the RPMs.